How to make a button scroll with the page on Wix. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. Now I'm going to actually do it on the Wix editor, so ignore the Wix Studio, it's going to be for the Wix editor. And basically what I'm trying to do here is create a button on the page which is going to always be on the page no matter how much you scroll down. It's just going to follow the page around. So let's just go ahead and get to it and show you exactly how to do so. So first you would want to just open up your Wix dashboard and just click on edit site and open up your Wix site editor. Once that's open, obviously we would want to create the actual button beforehand, and then we can just go ahead and apply the rule to it, which is going to basically make it scroll down with the page. So in this case, I'm just going to wait for this to load and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so now that this loaded, I'm just going to go ahead and create a few more sections down here just so it's going to be a little bit visible for us when we actually scroll down. This is just a test site that I'm using for these types of videos. And I'm just going to duplicate this real quick. And I'm just going to move it up to this section. This way we can make it scroll. So I'm just going to create the button right over here. So all you need to do is just go ahead and go to add elements on the top left. Click on that, and then you need to just go ahead and add the button. So you can feel free to select whichever one that you actually want. I'm just going to go for this one as an example. And let's just go ahead and design it so it is visible. 1 second. Okay, so I just selected the other one. This way it's actually visible for us because the background is black as well. So anyways, to make it scroll down with the page, by default it's not going to do so. As you can see, it's not scrolling down. So in order to do so, just go ahead and click on the actual button and right click. And once you right click, you should find this section over here. Now, among these settings, you should find at the bottom, pin to screen. This is the one that we actually want to use. So just go ahead and click on that. And now it's actually going to ask us on which position do you want to pin it. So as you can see, it's going to be either at the top, corners, or right, left. It's completely up to you where you actually want to make it. This way you can have the freedom on where exactly the button should be. In my case, I'm just going to go for bottom left, and obviously you can feel free to change the horizontal offset and also the vertical one. So it's completely up to you to play around with that and make sure it is suitable for your site. If you want to unpin it, you can just get back to this page again and click on unpin this element, but for the time being, it is pretty much good to go, and we can actually see that it is scrolling down. The only thing is that if you want it to be visible for mobile, just make sure you move it so that it is within the two lines in the center, so between these two lines. And now, as you can actually see, it's pretty much scrolling down with the site. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.